we're going to learn about the sound of OY and OI. Both of these say oi, 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 oi. OY can be used at the end of a word, but OI cannot because English words do not end with the letter I. Let's practice some words. T, oi, toy. B, oi, boy. Soy. P, loy, ploy. B, oil, boil. K, oil, coil. K, oin, coin. V, oid, void. Remember that at the end of a word that isn't short, Y usually has a long E sound. We covered this in Level 3, Lesson 2. Oily, oily. Enjoy, enjoy. Troy, Troy. Loyal, loyal. Now, this A looks like it would have a short A sound of owl, but often when AL is at the end of an English word, it becomes a muffled schwa sound more like So this could be pronounced loyal, but in reality, it sounds more like loyal, loyal. The same applies to this word, royal. Spoil, spoil. Oil, broil. Now, don't get tricked here. Here we have an OI, but we have the suffix ing, which we covered in Level 3, Lesson 9. So this is going to be ing, and this O will have its long sound of O. So go, going, going.